Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video, I'm going to let you know the ways to convert USDC to USDT on MEXC Global. So in order to convert USDC to USDT, you have to follow the steps. First of all, you need to go ahead and log into your MEXC Global account. When you're logged in on this page, go ahead and press on trade located right at the bottom. Next, you'll be taken to this sort of field. So once again, press the trade button. And on this page, go ahead and select spot. And when you do that, here, you need to go ahead and select convert, or you could just go ahead and select the asset right on top. Once you do that, you need to type in USDC, and as you type in that on the other page, what you have to do is you need to go ahead and select the asset that you want to convert with. Since we are going with USDT, so type in that, enter the exact amount, follow the prompt, and with that you should be able to convert USDC to USDT on MEXC Global. That's all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.